Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
So I have a lot of swelling in my ankle, and it hurts when I run a lot. I play tennis, so I do a lot of like side-to-side movement and a lot of abrupt stopping, so that really hurts. And then like when I'm just like, after like a long day of working out or playing tennis, I just, when it walks, like I can feel like it's like a throbbing kind of pain, like right where you see the swelling, and it hurts to like go like that, and then go up. I can really feel it, like to go up. Like
so what happened here? It's looked like you have like swelling there. So how did you injure it?
So apparently, like 2 years ago, I tore a tendon in there.
Okay.
And it was like, I guess, due to overuse, because I don't really like.
Which one? Can you show it to me?
I think it was like in here somewhere.
Okay, is that why your bone is sticking out like that?
Yeah, I think so. And it feels kind of like it might be swelling. Okay. I don't know, yeah.
So 2 years ago, you torn your ligament. How did you do that?
I think it was due to just like a lot of pounding, like just overuse.
Overuse?
Yeah.
Okay. So what happened? What kind of treatment? What did they do after that?
So I got PRP.
Okay.
And it took like 2 months off, and it did get a lot
Did
better.
they put it in a boot or a cast or something like that?
Boot, yeah.
For how long?
2 months.
For 2 months after that? Okay.
Yeah.
And just give me an update what other treatment you had for this issue.
I mean, I've gone to chiropractors, and like they've adjusted my feet and worked on like my
You
legs.
had physical therapy?
I've never had physical therapy before.
Okay. So what current problem now you have? This has been going on for 2 years. So give me an update about recently what's going on, how much pain, and what's difficult for you to do.
Yeah. So it got a little better after PRP, and I took time off, and like it was like fine for a year and a half, and then this summer, the past like 3 weeks, all of the same like swelling, like it's always like been like slightly swollen, but now like the swelling that it had like when it was really bad has come back.
Okay.
And so like just the same pain, well, I guess as it used to be. So I would say like at the end of the day, it's like a 6 or 7. Like, you know, I'm not like having to go like to the emergency room, but like it just really hurts. But like at the beginning, I always feel like the best in the morning, because that's like when it's like rested.
But when you put more weight on and you start to
feel it,
you feel it. Okay, so we're gonna do the motion that aggravated now, and give me your rating for pain level from 0 to 10. And what kind of pain do you feel there? Is it sharp, dull, aching?
Like throbbing.
Throbbing?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's aggravate it now and tell me how much pain.
Okay. So like that. I'd say right now is a 3, just because I didn't do a lot of working out yesterday. It's the morning.
Okay.
So right now it's like not too swollen, and then that it's like also like a 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the standing and moving around? Can you feel pain with that?
So if I like put pressure, like my weight onto like the right side.
Your feet is totally collapsing this way. Yeah. The left side. Okay.
So like if it's just like I'm sitting like this, it's like a 2. I can just like kind of feel it.
Okay.
And then like if I like were to like go like that, if I would put pressure like all the like a lot of weight on my right, like I can. It's like a 4 or 5.
4 or 5. So okay, let's aggravate it. Stand on that foot. And tell me how much pain.
Like
Oops, sorry.
I think a 5.
5 now, when you stand like this. Yeah. So we're gonna use that as way to measure your progress. Okay. Okay. So you can see the scar tissue. I will let you see it after we finish, okay? You see the redness here? That's where it's actually grinding it. That's where she has a scar tissue. So with the treatment, actually that treatment should be decreased. 1 or 2 treatments. As soon as we break the scar tissue, things will start. Oh, it's ticklish. Okay.
That's okay. Just ignore me.
It's a lot of fun, you know? Come here. Okay, that's okay. As long as you don't kick me, okay?
Oh, I will. You know what?
It's just ticklish, not painful, yeah?
Oh, it doesn't hurt at all. I'm super
Okay.
ticklish though.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
If you've asked anyone that's ever like massaged me, it's
Okay.
not good.
Is that too much?
No, it doesn't hurt.
Okay.
It's just ticklish.
It's okay. That's where the scar tissue. So the way we know the scar tissue is the redness, the bumpiness, and you know, you feel it with this instrument very easy, and patient can feel it easily.
Like a little bit, but
0 to 10.
like 1.
Okay, let's stand on it. Let's move this. 1 leg stand, because that was 5 before.
Yeah. I'd say like a 2.
Okay, where do you feel it?
I feel it like right where the swelling is.
Too much?
No.
Okay, try it again. Zero to 10. 1. Okay, let's stand on. 0 to 10.
I'd say 1.
1. Okay,
Yeah.
that's not bad. Let's move it around. You can have a seat and move it around. Tell me how that feel. Zero to 10.
I'd say like a 2. Like I feel like it feels a lot better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell the difference?
Yeah, I can tell the difference.
Yeah. So what do you think about the treatment?
I thought it was good.
Yeah, awesome. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.